During winter, my home stays free of excess moisture. The windows don't fog up and there's no musty smell. All it takes is having this on the windowsill in every room. Start by taking a decorative glass container. Fill it with regular table salt. The cheapest kind works perfectly. Salt absorbs moisture, doesn't spoil, and can last for weeks. Next, add a capful of your favorite laundry detergent. Make sure it has a strong, pleasant fragrance. The next ingredient is rubbing alcohol, which has disinfectant, antifungal, and anti-mold properties. Add 3 tablespoons of it to the salt in the container. Place the prepared container on the windowsill, especially in rooms where you notice water collecting on the windows during winter. Not only will it release a lovely scent that everyone will ask about, but it will also absorb excess moisture from the windows. This prevents condensation and stops mold from forming on window seals. I've been using this trick in my home for years. Stains and marks on the walls disappear in 2 seconds. This trick works like a magic eraser. Instead of reaching for a roller and paint, try this ridiculously simple method. It's a home hack that will bring freshness back to your walls in seconds, and the result will truly surprise you. The best part? It leaves no streaks, doesn't damage the paint, and requires no scrubbing. Pour 4 parts water into a small bowl. Add 1 part of this household liquid. This solution works great on stubborn stains. I'll tell you in a moment what the liquid is. Mix everything until smooth, dip a clean microfiber cloth into it, and gently wipe the stained area. Right as you begin to wipe the wall, you'll notice the stains start to disappear. No trace, no smudge left behind. The wall dries quickly, and you can forget it was ever dirty. Wondering what tackled those wall stains so effectively? It's not some fancy store-bought cleaner. It's something you usually add to laundry to make clothes soft and smell good. Fabric softener not only cleans incredibly well, it also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent and makes the whole room feel clean and refreshed. It's one of those tricks you learn once and end up recommending to everyone. Here's how you can refresh any wall without painting. It will be clean, free from dust and dirt. It turns out that Swiffer isn't just great for cleaning floors. I've discovered another excellent use for it, and I'm sure you'll start using it too. Cleaning your home has never been this enjoyable. Start by grabbing your Swiffer and attaching a dry dusting cloth to it. Thoroughly wipe down the walls. You might not see it with the naked eye, but they really are dusty. Just take a look at the cloth afterward. Next, prepare a bowl of warm water and add a bit of dish soap. Prepare it as if you were about to mop the floor. Take a microfiber cloth, soak it in the soapy water, and then wring it out well. It's important not to apply too much water to the wall. Now, attach the microfiber cloth to the Swiffer and use it to wash the wall. You'll clean it thoroughly without much effort. You can see that besides dust, my wall had some dirt too. Now it looks as if it has just been freshly painted.